now we're here in Da Nang and Berna wants to go on a coffee tour. So, motorcycle capital of the world. Mura din ang massage dito sa Vietnam. Ayan ang sikat, oh, si Banh Mi. Kalaban ni McDonald's tsaka ni Burger Machine. Oh, saan ang ating coffee, Berna? Kita mo na? Realistic talaga yung mga Vietnamese, oh. Laging may flag sila. Ayan, oh, very colorful, oh. Sarap ang steak, oh. Michelin guide. Check natin ang presyo. Ayan, si Olivia's Prime Steak. Tenderloin, magkano, Berna?
1,550,000.
Oh, pwede na pala. Buti na lang, sarado pa.
Bukas yan.
Bukas ba? Ay, oo nga, no. Open pala siya. Ayan, Berna, may wine bar, oh. Ayan, check natin yung menu. Parating na si Madam para pakita. Wow, okay. Tama si Berna. So, 250 grams is 1,550,000. Okay. Tomahawk, favorite ni Laurely, oh. 4.8 million. Pero, mahigit 1 kilo. Oh, alright. So much wine, huh?
Yeah, we sell the wine and also that is the beef.
Oh.
Very fresh.
Really, huh? Okay,
yes.
Good. Sikat na pizza house, 4-piece. Kagabi, nandito kami, puno sila. So, bumalik kami ngayon. May upuan daw tayo. Oh, yan pala yung upuan natin, eh. Oh, wow. Kanya naman pala palaging puno tong restaurant na to. Ganda ng ambience. Yes. Always full this restaurant, huh? Sipin mo, 2 PM punong-puno. Grabe. 2 PM na yan, ha? Ang ganda naman kasi ng ambience. So if you go to Da Nang, you have to go to this place called 4-piece. Ganda ng mga lutuan niya, oh. Yung konektado doon, no? Kanya walang usok. Ayan si Madam Berna. Kagabi pa nangungulit ng pizza. So, talagang bumalik kami. Ayan. Dami pagpipilian, Madam Berna. Yun, nakalagay, oh. 4-piece sa likod ni Berna. Ambience talaga tong lugar na to. Maganda ang pagkakagawa. Busy lahat, no? Imagine, 2 PM puno pa rin, no? Eh, what more pag nagpunta ka ng lunch? Ang mahirap pamili, mama. Order na kami ng pizza and burrata. That's what I heard. Next time, pagbalik ko, dyan ako nakupo sa bar na kaharap yung oven.
Okay. Oh, then I order.
Tuloy-tuloy yung luto ng pizza. Oh, so may gimmick pala. We order half and half.
Another half.
Okay.
So, any other pizza?
Ayan, oh. Ang dami kasi yung pagpipilian ng pizza, oh. Yes. Kasi pizza kasi talaga specialty dito, eh.
Okay.
Spicy pizza, Berna. Ayan, pwede ka rin kumain by the window. Bel, laki ng lugar na to. Napupuno ito, ha. Kasi 2 PM, kanya marami pang bakante, oh. Talaga naman. Always full this pizza place. Ayan na, mga drinks. Tama kaya? Oh, para share daw kami. Mojito ba yan, Berna?
Yeah.
Okay. Oh, masarap yan. Yes, sarap yan. Oh. Wow. Siguradong masarap. Uy, grabe. Ano yan, burrata?
Yeah.
May burrata sa taas. Kanya naman pala dinadayo ito, eh. Oh. Kahit sa video ko, mukha lang siyang masarap, eh. O yan, taste expert. Ano ka pa nakikrave ng pizza, eh. Oh.
This one is for this?
Oh. Parang different flavors tong ginawa ni Berna.
Okay, yeah.
Kasi minimum one pizza nga naman. Oh! I make you famous on my YouTube, ah.
It's a burrata cheese, made with mozzarella on the outside,
Yeah?
and shredded mozzarella and whipping cream on the inside.
Oh, this burrata coming from Vietnam?
Yeah.
Really?
By Pizza for me.
Really? You have burrata in Vietnam? Wow! Meron pala silang burrata sa Vietnam. Galing naman. Cheese muna, Mama Berna. Imagine, no? Meron silang burrata cheese. Talo pa yung Pilipinas, ah. Ibang klase ito sa Vietnam, ha? Uy, sarap yan. Ano yung kinakabit mong yan? Ano yan?
Honey?
Honey? Oh, taste na, Berna. Natin, if it's gonna be a good bite. Wow, sarap. Sarap, ha? Okay. We're going to a coffee shop here in Antong and we'll do some tasting. Ganda ng restaurant na to, ah. Dito sa Antong. Itong Antong, ito yung kung saan maraming expats here in Danang. Tsaka may pating, oh. Galing, ah. Naghalo yung koi tsaka pating, oh. Oy. Parang nurse shark. Kakain ulit tayo? Kakain ba tayo ulit? Coffee lang? Okay. Uy, ganda ng place na to, ah. Coffee shop lang to. Ganda. Ganda naman ng ambience ng coffee shop na to. Grabe. Imagine, coffee shop. May explanation pa, oh.
Oh, brewing. Okay.
Yeah. So, our coffee beans are light roast Arabica.
Okay.
Oh, wow.
Which would make the cup of coffee taste sour.
Oh, it's sour.
Sour, yes, but not bitter. Yeah, because
Puno na yung mga window seats, ah. Diyan pa naman maganda mo po, window seats. Galing itong place na to. Uy, mayroon pang plant sa gitna. So, tingin ko mas maganda itong coffee shop na to sa gabi with all the lights dito sa Antong.
cup and relief.
This is the coffee
This
already?
is it? Yeah.
Just pour the cup here.
Oh wow, that's
I
it.
will pour. Okay.
Yeah.
I'll pour
Okay.
here.
Yeah.
Mine? Okay.
And with our coffee, you can see it's have many like flavor here.
Yes.
Right now, it hot. It will show you the flavor like the kiwi, the citronella, or the jasmine.
Okay.
But when it cooling down, it will change the flavor.
Ah, yes.
Yeah, you can
okay.
really slowly to see the difference.
So
Right.
now hot. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
When it cooling down like 1 cup, it will change.
Oh, okay.
Right.
Okay.
Enjoy.
Okay, thank you.
Okay. Excuse me. Ganito lang pala kasimple ito, no? Berna, anong lasa? Sarap yung lasa, tinikman ko eh. Ano tingin mo, ha? It's good, di ba? Grabe. 1,000 for... Ito 1,000 ito.
Oo.
Bali, naghati tayong dalawa.
So,
Okay.
now,
Oh.
this is yellow kiwi, citronella, and jasmine.
Anong
Mamaya,
jasmine?
when it's warm na,
Oh.
now it's hot. So when it's warm, it becomes rock melon, yellow kiwi, and custard apple. Iba na naman yung taste.
Ah, ganun ba?
Lagay natin.
Nag-iiba pala yung lasa niyan. Okay. Hindi kami, may umalis. So, dito na tayo uupo. Madam Berna. Okay. Aba, pwede rin palang upo dyan sa mga pans, oh. Galing ng ginawa nila dito, ah. Upuan din pala yan, no?
Really do pour over.
She has
But
to,
I did
she has to
once.
smell first.
Yes.
Why you need to smell?
Because with the different style, it will show you very different flavor like it's dry and wet. Yeah, it will show the different flavor.
Oh, very good, ah. Very unique, ah.
Very good smell.
Okay.
Smell?
You want to
No, it's okay. I
No,
just...
smell it, smell it.
I smell it.
Really good.
Okay. It's very fragrant.
Like very fruity, floral.
Iba yung amoy, oh. Very fragrant nga. Tsaka maganda yung ambience. Yung coffee, smell is good, ambience is good, everything's perfect. Berna, magkano ba yung coffee na in-order mo? Berna, magkano yung coffee?
500,000 dong.
For a coffee, 500,000 dong? Grabe ka naman mag-order. Bakit naman ang mahal ang in-order mo?
Huh?
Bakit ang mahal? Eh, kape lang yan, ah.
Yeah.
Oh, just for the experience.
Yeah.
Oh, wow. May nag-order ng coffee. So, ibig sabihin they can afford to pay 500,000 dong for 1 cup. Magkano ba yung 500,000 dong sa pesos? That's about 1,000 pesos for one cup. 1,000 pesos for one cup of coffee. Unbelievable. Bakit mo pinagtabi, Mama? Ubusin mo na lahat?
No?
Pinagtabi mo?
Pinicturean ko lang.
Pinicturean mo lang.
Okay.
Okay.
So when it's warm,
Oh.
tapos mamaya, we have to make it cold para we know kung anong lasa niya pag cold siya.
Hindi, lalagyan natin ng yelo, ganun?
Yeah, lalagyan nila.
Okay. May proseso pala yan.
3 p.m.
Yun, lalagyan ng ice. Okay, thank you. Bern, lalagyan mo na ng ice. Ganun pala yun. After a while, lalagyan mo ng ice daw. Hindi ako naka-experience ng ganito. May ice pala. After drinking it for about 5 to 10 minutes. Okay, so again, thank you for watching our vlogs. Rolly and Berna Baron here at An Thong, Da Nang, Vietnam.